Let's discuss the question, and the question is that the sums of n terms of two AP. Now things that we have to see, that there are two APs, right? Two progressions we have, and they are talking about their sums of n terms. They are in the ratio this. So basically we have two APs. So we don't know what are the APs. So we let them. So let's say first AP, first arithmetic progression that we have with A1, A2, A3, and because they are talking about the n term, so last term will be A sub n, right? AN. Then we will talk about the second AP. Let's take that as B1, B2, B3, and till Bn, because both the AP, they are talking about the n terms. Now what they are saying, that their sum of n terms of both the APs ratio is given to us. It is 5n plus 4 ratio 9n plus 6. Now they are asking you the ratio of their 18th term. So if we will talk about the first AP, that 18th term of that AP is A18 and 18th term of the second AP is B18. So they are asking you what is the ratio A18 over B18, right? So let's discuss that. It's very, very important. So now, how to do that? So because what is given, we have to focus on that, right? So given is sum. So let's talk about the sum first. Whenever we are talking about the sum, so we'll talk about the general sum formula of the n terms of AP, which is Sn is equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Now, please remember this thing, that both the APs are completely different to each other. So the first term is completely different, and the common difference between the two consecutive terms, that is also different. So for the first AP, I am taking small d, and for the second AP, I am taking capital D. So let's put everything in the sum formula to make the equation. So for the first AP of n terms, so this is for the first AP I am talking about, Sn is equals to n over 2, 2a. What is the first term? A1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, this is the first equation. Second equation for the second AP, because they are talking about the n terms again. So again, I'm taking Sn only. So let's take Sn1 and Sn2 for the different APs. N over 2, 2b1 plus n minus 1 times d. D I have taken for the second AP as capital D, right? Now, their ratio is given. It means Sn1 divided by Sn2 is given to you. So Sn1 by Sn2, if I am dividing these two equations, I am dividing 1 by 2. So Sn1 by Sn2, that is equals to n by 2. So I am writing their right hand side in division. So it will be 2b1 n minus 1 times d. Okay, they both are same, so they will cancel out. Now, what is Sn1 by Sn2? It is already given, which is 5n plus 4, 9n plus 6, that is equals to 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d, and 2b1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so this is the third equation. Now we reach whatever we have. Now we finally reach to the what is given in the question. Now they are asking you for A18 by B18. So according to the, whenever we are talking about some particular term, we use the formula, the general formula of nth term of AP, which is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. As they are talking about the 18th term, which is A plus A1 plus, because for the first AP, the first term is A1. 18 minus 1, and I am taking 18. So 18 minus 1 is 17D, right? This is the fourth equation. And if I will talk about the second AP 18th term, which is B18 is equals to B1 plus 17D, again same in the formula. And because it is, I have taken the common difference for the second AP as capital D, so it will be capital D. Now, see, there are many ways to do a question, because in this equation 3, I have so many variables. Like I have N, I have A1, B1, capital D, small d, and everything. So there are many ways. So what I am doing here, I'm just converting this part, the above and below, to like this. Okay. So what I will do here in the equation 4 and 5, in equation 4 and 5, multiply both sides by 2. Okay. So now the equation will become 2 of 18 is equals to 2 of A1 plus 34D For the second equation, for the fifth equation, it will become 2b18 is equals to 2b1 plus 34 capital D. Okay, this is the sixth equation. This is the seventh equation. Now, if I see, I have 2a1 here and 2b1 here. So the space was very less, so I write it again. Now we have these two equations, right? We have these two equations, and I have equation 3 also, okay, after the ratio of the sum I got. Now, if you will compare these equations, if you will see that I want 2a1 and 34d. So how it will become 34? So when I put n as 35, this equation will become exactly same like this, right? So what I put n as 35 by myself so that the equation will looks like common to each other. So this by 4, 35 by 6, that is equals to 2a1 plus 35 minus 1d, 2b1, 35 minus 1 capital D. Okay. So after this, when I solve this, which will be 175 plus 4, which is 179, and it will be 9, 5, 45, and 3, 27, 27 plus 4, 31, and it will be 321. That is equals to 2a1 plus 34d and 2b1 plus 34 capital D, right? Now, if you will compare now this one, let me change the color. If you will compare this one with this, so 2a1 plus 34d is equals to 2 of a18. Okay, now I'm doing it here. So 179 by 321, that is equals to twice of a18. And similarly, when you will compare this one with the denominator, it will be equals to 2 of b18. So 2 cancel out. So what is the ratio of a18 over b18, which is equals to 179 by 3 to 1. That's that, as simple as that, right? So yes, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.